Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best Christmas string art is probably one of the most charming ways to infuse your home with holiday spirit. This craft combines the joy of DIY with the festive cheer of Christmas. From simple star patterns to intricate seasonal scenes, string art offers a unique way to decorate your space or create personalized gifts. Join me as we explore the wonderful world of Christmas string art and discover how you can create your own masterpieces. Number 5. Primitives by Kathy Mary and Bright String Art. This sign features a charming, hand-strung Christmas tree. It's a festive piece that will bring holiday cheer to any space. The design is carefully crafted to create a unique and eye-catching display. The sign measures 4.5 by 6 inches and is built to last. You can choose to have it stand on its own or hang it on the wall. It's a versatile piece that fits perfectly in any room. The sign conveys a simple yet heartwarming message, merry and bright. It's a perfect way to spread holiday joy. This sentiment is sure to bring a smile to anyone's face. It has a slatwood style with rounded edges and corners for a distressed look. This gives it a vintage feel. The rustic design adds a touch of charm to your home decor. Primitives by Kathy offers the perfect gift to express yourself. Whether you want to be hilarious, sarcastic, or heartwarming, this product has the right message. It's a great way to tell them how you really feel. What we like. This sign features a festive Christmas tree design, perfect for adding a touch of holiday cheer to any space. Its rustic, distressed style gives it a charming, vintage feel. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to decorate for Christmas, this is a great choice. What people say. Nice addition to Christmas decorations. Can hang it or sit in on a flat surface. True to picture. It's the right size for on a shelf or to sit on a table. Beautifully created. Number 4. Hapinest String Art Kit for Kids. This Hapinest String Art Kit is designed for kids ages 10 and up. It comes with everything needed to create 3 unique 3D designs, a unicorn, a cat, and a flower. It's a perfect hands-on project for creative kids. The kit includes a detailed instruction booklet, perfect for beginners. While it might seem challenging at first, the guide helps tweens and their parents through each step. It's a great way to build artistic skills and patience. This string art kit is more than just a craft, it's a fun activity for kids and teens. It's great for playdates or solo projects, offering a versatile way to express creativity and relieve stress. This kit offers a creative outlet for kids, teens, and even adults. It's ideal for group activities like slumber parties or family time, making it a great gift for anyone aged 10 and up. The kit is designed to provide a delightful crafting experience with durable materials. Each component ensures a smooth and enjoyable process, allowing children to create beautiful, lasting artworks. They will love it. What we like. This kit offers 3 delightful 3D designs, including a unicorn, cat, and flower, sparking creativity in kids and teens. It comes with easy-to-follow instructions, making it accessible for beginners. If you are looking for a fun and engaging activity for a birthday or a family gathering, it is a fantastic option. What people say. Great project to do with a 9 years old. The finished product is awesome. The colors are very pretty. This is a really nice art project kit. My 9 years old daughter loved it and the unicorn took her several HRS to complete. It keeps kids occupied. Nice art. Number 3. String of the Art Sunflower String Art Kit. This string art kit is perfect for crafters of all levels. It's an American-made DIY kit designed to help you create a beautiful piece of art. The kit includes a stained pine wood base, embroidery floss, and everything else you need. It's a great way to create a handmade gift. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced crafter, this kit is easy to follow. You'll enjoy the process and the stunning results. The finished piece measures 16 x 12 and will be a beautiful addition to any home. It's a fun and rewarding craft project. Give the gift of creativity with this string art kit. It's a thoughtful and unique present that anyone will appreciate. What we like. This kit is proudly American-made and designed for crafters of all skill levels. It includes everything you need to create a beautiful sunflower. If you enjoy crafting and want to make a unique, handmade gift, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The instructions were clear and made it easy to do. It came in a super cute box with everything she will need to put it together. Beautiful finished product. Number 2. String of the Art Daisy String Art Kit. Discover the joy of crafting with this daisy string art kit. It's designed for all skill levels, from beginners to experienced crafters, making it a perfect DIY project. This kit is designed and assembled by artist Lawrence Ross, supporting a small business. It's a unique way to add a personal touch to your home decor. The kit includes a hand-stained wooden board, colorful embroidery floss, nails, a hanging hook, and easy-to-follow instructions. It has everything you need to get started. Follow the simple steps to create your daisy string art. You can also watch a how-to video for extra guidance. The process is designed to be enjoyable and straightforward. Looking for a unique gift? This kit is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Give the gift of creativity with this handmade treasure. What we like? This kit features a charming daisy design, adding a touch of elegance to your home decor. It is designed and hand-assembled by an American artist, supporting small businesses. If you are looking for a unique and beautiful piece of wall art, it is a great choice. What people say? They are beautiful and very high quality. The kit was a joy to do. Have patience and practice wrapping the string on the nails to see the different effects. She is very crafty and creative. It came with a beautiful finished wood board add well. Number 1. String of the Art Deer String Art Kit. Discover the joy of crafting with this unique kit. It's designed for both beginners and experienced crafters, allowing them to create stunning deer-themed art. This kit supports a small business and an American artist. Every kit is designed and assembled by the artist himself. Inside, you'll find a hand-sanded and stained wooden board, colorful embroidery floss, nails, a hanging hook, and easy-to-follow instructions. It has everything you need to get started. The instructions are simple, making the crafting process effortless. You can also watch a how-to video to guide you through the process. This kit is ideal for creating a one-of-a-kind gift. It's perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion, and it's sure to be cherished. What we like? This kit features a majestic deer design, bringing the beauty of nature into your home. It is designed and hand-assembled by an American artist, supporting small businesses. If you love nature-inspired art and want to create a unique piece, it is a perfect choice. What people say? The artwork looks really nice hanging in my living room. The wood is beautiful and stained well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.